So the window's going really well, but we need to put in a couple little triangles to hold the glass, and I just grabbed some aluminum and cut these, but I'm sure I have purchased ones, but I don't know where they are. So here it is, cleaned up, scraped, and I also went around and tried to make sure it was loose all the way around, and then gently wedge this up and then remove the wedge and then put screws in on each side. Now it did not go up much, but you can see a little bit of a gap there, so it did go up a little bit on each side. So every little bit helps, because ideally we want these two even here. They're close, they're about between a 1/16 and an 1/8 inch off. But I haven't pulled this window up to see if we have any buildup down here, because if we do, that could account for that distance. But this glass right here, we noticed on the inside it wasn't tight, so right here, that pushes in. So I'm going to put my little triangles right in there, and then we'll be ready to caulk.